First thing you're going to do is remove the old doorknob by unscrewing the screws that are holding it to the door. Make sure you can open the door before you take out the other side so that you don't lock yourself in. And there it goes. You'll go ahead and remove this plate on the side of the door. There's 2 screws. Then you'll remove the other plate that's hooked to the wall. Go ahead and reverse the order to put the new doorknob on. Start by putting this plate on the wall. There'll be 2 screws. And sometimes you'll have to check the doorknob that you buy because sometimes the new doorknob might not be compatible with what you had before, so you might have to make some adjustments. So now that we've got that in, this little black thing needs to be removed. Okay, so now you'll go ahead and install the door latch. Yeah, we had to remove the black insert that was in before with our other knob because this latch was too big for the hole. So we did that. Now we're just attaching the latch to the door with the 2 screws that were provided. It should go all the way through. So now you go ahead and insert one side of the doorknob. You'll want to make sure that you do the locking switch on the inside of the door, or I guess it just depends on what you want. So our hole was a little too small for the doorknob because of these little latches, so we're just going to kind of bend those a little bit so that it'll fit through the door hole. So then you will line up the screw holes once you fit the knob on both sides. And you'll go ahead and tighten the screws. There you have it. So now we've locked it and we're going to go ahead try out the key. There we have it.